Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 1.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The pound got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Chinese gaming and social media giant Tencent Holdings beat forecast with a 29% jump in second quarter profit, helped by an increase in revenue from popular games and growth in online advertising sales. London's FTSE 100 was dragged down by BHP Group as investors fretted over the miner's sale of its petroleum arm, while the mid-cap index closed at a record high after inflation fell sharply. Texas biotech company Spinesmith Holdings will convert their balance sheet to Bitcoin for long-term holding to avoid the overreach of banks.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Dutch unemployment rate will be released at 4:30 GMT, Australia's unemployment rate at 1:30 GMT, the Eurozone's current account at 800 GMT. Japan's National Consumer Price Index will be released at 23:30 GMT, Australia's employment change at 1:30 GMT, the UK's GfK Consumer Confidence at 23:01 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.